In this video, we will be looking at the OS module in Python. We'll see how to interact with your file system, how to navigate your file system, and much more other things using OS module in Python. So let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is CodeCraft. You can learn code fastly and efficiently. I'll be making a simple Python file here. So I'll give the name OS module.py. And first of all, in order to use the OS module, we have to import it also. So I'll import the OS module. And now the question that will arise in your mind is that what actually OS module do? So the OS module in Python is a built-in function which provides a way of using the operating system functionalities. It allows you to interact with the operating system in various ways, such as navigating the file system, manipulating paths, accessing environment variables, and executing system commands. Some common tasks that you can perform in the OS module, including files and directory operation, process management for things, find the ID of the specified process, and accessing the file system information. So there are also other things you can do in the OS module, but this is how you can actually do. So the first function I'll be showing you is pretty simple, which is os.getCwd. This function simply returns the current working directory in which you are. So I'll simply run this program, and here you can see the current working directory has been printed out. So another method is os.chdr, which is used to change the current working directory to the specified path that were given as the argument. So I'll be here giving the path c/users, and now down here, if I use again getCwd, call the getCwd function, so here you can see this will print the path that I actually give in the chdr function as argument. So you can see the specified path, the current working directory has been changed. This is how you can change the current working directory. So another method is if you want to list the entities of the file or directory of a specified path of a directory, you can use the listdir function. So here I will simply print os.listdir. This function is used to list the entities in a directory and in the specified directory that were given to it. So here I simply call this function, and if no argument is given, the directory in which you are is given as the argument. So here you can see the directory in which I am is the entities of the directory has been printed out. So here you can see the file.txt, input.js, and osmodule.py has been printed out. So this is how you can use the listdir function to get all the entities of specified path. So if I give here another directory /users and run this function again, so as you can see the entities that were in the directory were printed out as a list. So this simply return a list. So that's how you can use it. So the another method of the OS module is pretty simple. You can use it to make directory, which is os.makedir function. So now we have to give the directory name here. So I will simply give the directory name OS module, and I'll simply run this program. So here you can see the OS module directory has been created. This is how you can create directory using the OS module makedir function. So another function is os.makedir, which is same as the os.makedir, but this function recursively create the directories. So if I give, for example, if I give here new, and then I give the another directory hello, and I give the name test directory, and simply I will run this, and here you can see the new directory, and inside it the hello directory, and inside the hello directory the testing directory. This is how you can create recursive folders or directories using the os.makedir function. So another one is to remove a file, you can use the os.remove function, and I'll give the name file.txt here, and run this program, and you can see the file.txt has been removed. So this is how you can use it. So another function is os.rmdir, which is used to remove the directory. For example, I will use the rmdir to remove the os directory here. So I'll simply use it os module directory. I want to remove it, so bam, this is removed. So here's how to use it. So another function is os.remove dirs. So this function is used to recursively remove directory, as the make dir function is dir's function is used to recursively create directory. This function is used to recursively delete the directories. So here if I give the /new, and inside the /new /hello, and inside this /hello, so we have to simply give it here as this. So and inside the hello is testing dir, I think dir directory, testing directory. So now this will first remove the testing directory inside the hello directory, and the second will be the hello directory removed inside the new directory, and it will also remove the new directory as well. So if I click on the run code button, so here you can see it says the new is not defined. So here is the error, so I have to comment this because it throws an error. So here you can see the directory has been removed recursively. This is how you can use it. So the another function is pretty simple, which is if you want to rename a file or directory, you can use the os.rename. So for example, I will rename the info.js file. I made it. So if I want to, the first argument will be the source file which you want to rename, and if I just give the name info.js, and the second argument will be the actual name you want to rename it with. So if I want to rename it the js program.js, and I simply run it here. So here you can see it become JS program from input.js, it became JS program.js. This is how you can use the rename function to rename the file, or you can also rename the directory as well with the rename function. So another function is that if you want to check the existence of a file, that a file exists or not, you can use the exist function of the OS module. So you can use os.path.exist, and this is how you can use it. And I will simply, you have to give the path here. The path can be absolute or relative path. So for example, if I give the JS program and JS program.js file, and I will also print that because it will return true or false on the this condition. So here you can see the js.program file exists because that's why it returned true. If I add a new file. For example, I add info.js. Info.js did not exist, so it can see the false returns by it. This is how you can use this to check the existence of file. So the another function of OS module is if you want to check a file is a regular file, not a directory, you can use the isFile function of the OS module. So os.path.isFile and jsprogram.js. This will check that this jsprogram.js is file or not. So if I have to print this out to check the result, and if I run the program, you can see the true has been returned. So this is how you can check that the specified path is a file or directory. So another function is that if you want to check that the specified path is directory or not, so you can use the os.path.isdir function. So now you have to give the path, the path can be absolute path. By absolute I mean path like this, /user, /usr, /citizen, and you can also use this is like the absolute path. So if I simply run this program, and I have to also print this here, so print it and run it. So here you can see the true has been returned because this is a directory. And if I simply remove this and type jsprogram.js, this is not a directory, this will return false. This is how you can use it. So the another method is if you want to join two paths, you can use the join method of the OS module. So simply here I print os.path.join, and now the first argument will be a path you want to join with the other path. So join two, it says join two or more path components, so inserting the slash as needed. So here is if I give the path first os.getCwd, and now the second path, for example, I give new directory /all, and run this program. So here you can see the path has been joined. So instead of this I can use the double forces. So I run this again, and you can see the path has been joined. So this is how you can use the join method function of OS module. That's all in this video. I hope you will enjoy it and you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button, and also press the subscribe button to get the latest videos like this. If you have any question, you can comment me in the comment section. And that's all in this video. I hope you have really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching the video.